how you can hide your folders or files or anything that you want. Okay, so let's go. First of all, click on the File Explorer and go to your desired location where your folder is, such as my folder is in new volume D. Click on it. And now let's take an example of this folder. We want to hide this folder. Okay, then click on this folder. Okay, click on view, and then you have to last click this hide selected items. This folder is hidden now. Okay, folder is hidden now. Now if you want to unhide that folder, how you can unhide that? Let's go see it. So my folder was in new volume D, and if you want to unhide that, just go on view again and click on this hidden items. Pressing this, just click on this. The folders are unhidden. This folder is unhidden now. You can access it. Thank you. Hope you like it.